2020 GMC At4 Carbon Pro Edition. Really nice truck. It's a carbon fiber bed and other accents are carbon fiber. We got factory converters there and there. Then no more third cat, 3-inch pipe. Then we put a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer. Added an extra piece of 3-inch to make up for that gigantic muffler that's there. Then we continued it. The stock, it's got two giant resonators, one there and one there. The Sierra At4. That's how you put a Flow FX on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. And if you guys want it, the link will be in the description. Hope you guys like it. There's the part number 71419. 2020 GMC At4 6.2 liter V8. Just a beautiful, beautiful GMC truck. Got all the little nice accents on it. There it is. It's got less than 200 miles on it. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single 3-inch. And they got rid of the third cat. Thank you, Jesus. Anyways, and then it continues 3.5 into 3-inch pipe we added. We took the flap out that comes in front of this. And then we put a FLOWMASTer 43041. Customer supplied it. If you guys want it, the link will be in the description right there. And then it's dualed out there into 2 1/4 tailpipes, and it's got factory resonators here and here. He didn't want it too loud, just wanted to hear it nice. There's the flap that I'm talking about, we always take out. There's the muffler. So there it is, At4 GMC Sierra. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. FLOWMASTer 40 series 43041. There'll be a link in the description. What do you think? Again? Sound decibels? Go ahead. He didn't want it too loud, he didn't want it to drone. About 98. It's about 98 on the sound decibels. That's not bad, that's perfect. Yeah. And the carbon edition comes with black tips, which I really like compared to the chrome ones. Just looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. That's me. Let you guys hear on the inside. Trailer assist.
Trailer assist, yeah.
Go ahead. Give the gas. Needs to be louder. Those resonators gotta go. Try it for a week, see how you like it.
Yeah. You charge me to cut the resonators off.
Another 2.
Another 200?
100 inside. Because it's got 2 on it. Sound decibels, go ahead. .6. Not really changed much.
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
I'll drive it like that for a little bit. If
See
I
how
don't
you
like
like
it,
it.
I'll come back.
Yes, sir. Go ahead and back it up.
You got both the flaps on?
Yeah. There's only one on it in the front. Some of them came with 2, some of them came with 1. Let you guys hear on the inside. 2020 GMC Carbon Pro 6.2 liter V8 At4. We just put a Flow FX on it. They sound the best. If you don't want a lot of drone, that's the one you go with, and leave the resonators on it. There it is at idle. Nice low rumble. GMC At4.